Hi, I'm Jarrod Dinsmore, the CTO and Usability Practice Director here at Delphia Consulting. You know, Delphia Consulting wasn't always in the business of internet marketing and web design. Let me tell you how it started. I began my career in 1986 at Lucent Technologies, which back then was Bell Labs, and for 16 years worked with a team to design exceptional user experiences for software products around the globe. My travels took me to about 20 countries, and I worked with some of the most talented folks I've ever met, literally the folks who wrote the book on languages like C, Kerning and Ritchie. It was a great experience, and that team grew and grew. The internet started, and pretty soon we were doing websites and web applications. But anyone who had stock in Lucent Technologies knew that it was about $300 a share at one point and fell to $1 a share. So slowly I had to let my team go. My personality type is Myers-Briggs ENFP. If you're familiar with that, it's the same as Robin Williams. But that F component, the feeling component, made this an exceptionally difficult job, to let folks go who were super talented, and not only my colleagues, but my friends, week after week after week. So I decided to leave back in 2002. And my plan was to open an Italian bakery. My family's Italian. I love Italian food. I often visited Bella Napoli, a bakery outside of Troy, New York, where I went to school. And I even started discussions with them about working there for free for a while so I could learn the trade. I shared that with Brian Delphia, who had been a friend since 1989, and he said, "Are you crazy? Come work for me." I knew he had started an accounting firm in 1993 and said, no, I don't want to work for an accounting firm. And he said, no, we do technology now. We have since 2000. And I said, no, I'm done with technology. Forget it. But being a good CPA, he took out a piece of paper and he did a back-of-the-envelope calculation and said, look, you'll have to sell that many loaves of bread a minute to make what you made at Bell Labs. I gave it some thought, said, no, I can downsize. He recalculated, showed me again, and I said, well, wait, tell me about that position at Delphia again. So I joined here in 2002, was fortunate enough to bring some of my team with me, and we designed a web-based system that allows all of your HR forms to go paperless. So they're actually designed over the web, submitted over the web, and routed for approval. It's called HR Actions, and it connects to Sage Abra HRMS. In the meantime, folks found me through my network at Bell Labs and through Google. Folks like Chemical Abstracts, a division of the American Chemical Society, and Thompson Del Mar Learning up in Colony, New York, and asked if we were still doing web work. I talked about it with Brian, and he said, sure, open a practice for that. And we did, and little by little it grew. We ended up doing the website for the city of Las Vegas, which was awarded one of Digital City's Best of the Web Awards for Best City Site in the country. The practice has grown, and little by little we've done sites like Chicago's tourism website, the City of Chicago, Weiser, one of the top 25 accounting firms in the country, all the way down to my favorite place for fish and chips, Marino Seafood. I met Jarrod Dinsmore working with IA Systems outside of Colony, New York, and he became one of our lead web designers. And since then, we've done a phenomenal job with the governments, tourisms, offices, membership-based organizations, professional service firms. We have clients in 46 states, and I think we do an exceptional job with all of them. I'm thrilled to be here, and I'd welcome the opportunity to work with you to deliver an exceptional web presence.